Yeah, so I paid $15 for this info and I'm going to show it for free. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to your friend. So we all know how stressful it can get if you've lost a file on your hard disk or your pen drive right after a shoot, or maybe right after receiving it from someone and you can't get access to it. It even got deleted from the recycle bin by mistake, or maybe you intentionally did it, but you just need access back to that file on your laptop. Yeah, this is the right video for you, so make sure you stick to the end. And it's totally free, no credit card required, no trials, no sign ups. Just search for the app and download it onto your PC and just start your recovery process, and that's all. So let's jump to my PC and let's get started. So make sure you search WinFRGUI like Windows, WinFRGUI on Google. Use the first link you see on your search result and click on it. Yeah, so it will open a new tab and it will show you more details about the software. It was released in December 2021, the features and how the file types you can recover and all those stuff. So the file size is 3.9 megabytes. Just click on it and download it. So after that, you install the software and you click on the directory you want to recover the file from. So I'm going to delete this picture via KYT and we'll try to recover it and let's see how it goes. So yeah, so I've deleted it and I'm choosing the drive C. Yeah, so you click on it and you click on start recovery. So after that, it will scan all the deleted files on your phone for some period of time, and after everything, it will bring you or store all the recovered files on your other disk. That's the drive D, or you can even choose the directory where you should store your drive. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I just finished everything and it saved everything in my drive D. Yeah, so make sure you follow what you see on the screen, and it just shows you where or the kind of drive. It just shows you the recovered files and all. So it just shows you all the recovered files on your laptop. As you can see, because I use a C drive, it recovered almost all the deleted files and media and everything. So just let's go through some of the folders. Let's choose the recycle bin and you can see what it does. And I think it worked. It tried to recover almost all the deleted files for some period of time back, and I think if you just deleted something on your, it works best on hard drives and USB drives. Yeah, because I have too many and I keep deleting files on the C drive. It tried to recover the most unnecessary stuff that I keep on deleting. So I think it will work best if you have files on your pen drive or hard drive and it got deleted by mistake or anything. So if this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share it to a friend.